perfectly calm when suddenly this happens. A flock of black birds swirl to the ground. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. Hundreds of the birds appear like a plume of black smoke. A moment later, many of them fly off, but
now, Channel 3 Early Warning Weather.
All right, check out this video. It's in the right-hand part of your screen. There you go. We've focused in on it, capturing. This is from Lorient Plainfield. A meteor. This is, we have, of course, had the Leon.
Look at that. Wow. 一个飞起来了。